In the last video we discussed about wait stage. Now in this video we will talk about attach and detach. If you see here in the Object Studio, we have one option that is launch. It means if you have created this Object Studio for any Windows application or any application, and that application is connected with this Object Studio, then it will launch from here. So click on launch and you will see here this application has been launched. And now after this you can see here it is showing detach. It means now this application has been attached with this Object Studio. Now if you click on detach, now this application will be detached with this Object Studio. It means Object Studio will not able to work on this application now. Let me show you here practically. If I am going to run this login, it will throw an error, and the error is this is not connected. It means we have to connect this application with this Object Studio, then it will able to type anything here. Sometimes what happens in such scenario, this application is already launched. In this scenario we don't need to launch this one, right? We can directly attach this application with this Object Studio and we can start typing the staff number and password and click on login, right? So to do this, what we have to do, in the launch action page we have to take here, first we have to see if this application is already connected with this Object Studio or not. So for that we have to first take one read stage, delete this, and this read stage is used to read the connectivity of this application with the Object Studio. So it will check this application is connected with the Object Studio or not. So double click on that, and here we have the main top level window will connect with this, and here from the data we have IsConnected. So we will check if this application, this element is connected or not. So we will write here read connects, or like we will write here read connected. Here we have to store the value in the boolean, in the flag. So we will write here connected and we will create one. Let me rename this connected, and this is flags. You can see here, link this, and then we will take one decision stage and we will check here if connected equal to true, right here connected, if this is connected, then what we need to do, then no need to launch. If this is connected, then no need to launch, but if that is not connected and application is already launched, then we have to attach that one. So in this scenario we need to remove this launch from here and now link this connected with here. It means if this is already connected, it means application has already been launched, then launched and connected with Object Studio, then go to end, so that login part can be done successfully. But if that is not connected, then what we need to do, then we need to attach that. So we will take here to attach that window, this one, we have to take navigate stage, double click on that, take this top level element, and from the action take here attach. And now here we have two options, window title or process name. So here either you can pass window title of this application title which you want to attach, or you can pass the process name. So if you will pass window title, you have to write the complete one here, Centrix Data Solutions please login. Or what you can do, you can right click on this, you can find out the process name of this Centrix Data Solutions, right click on this and search for and copy this. This is the process name, or you can also find like this. Go to the more, click on details, and you can find out this is the process name. Remove the exe, only keep name. This is Centrix Data Solutions. Now you can just write this here, click OK, give the name, attach, now if this is not connected with this Object Studio, then attach that. Now what will happen if that application is not open, then how will it will attach that? So in that scenario, what will happen? It will throw an error. Let me close that first, and let me link with this first. Let me show you here practically. Run this step by step, and you can see here read connected, and then we are getting false. It means application is not connected. Here also you can verify. Now if it is false, it will go to attach, but application is not there, so it will not able to attach that. So again we will be getting one error that it is unable to find this one. So in that scenario, what we need to do, our motto is, in any scenario, in any case, we have to launch this application. It means that application should be connected with the Object Studio, so that both can type the staff number and password and click on login, right? So if there is error, then launch this. So what we can do, for the time being I am taking here one thing, reset this. There is one stage, that is recover and resume. Connect with this and just keep here and link this resume with here. Now what will happen, if there is an error in the attach, this recover stage will catch that error, and then it will go to the resume, it will recover and resume, and then it will launch that application. Now step by step run this. You will see here now it will not able to attach because application is not opened. So what will happen, it will go to the recover, resume, and then it will launch that application. So we are able to launch that if that is not connected and application is not opened. But let me detach this. It means application is available, but this is not connected with this. Now what will happen in that scenario? Reset this step by step. Now you can see this is not connected. Here also you can see, but application is available. So in that scenario, what will happen? In this scenario, now you can see this is showing detach. It means now this application has been attached with this Object Studio. Now if you will go to the login, and if you will try to run this again, and you can see here we are able to log into this. So this is the concept of attach and detach. Okay, and for this recover stages and resume, we will talk about this in the exception handling topics.